Hello there, my friends. Welcome to another video about cryptocurrency. And in this video, we are talking about the recently released NFT land staking by Axie Infinity on their Ronin chain. And I'm kind of pleased about this for the reason that they finally released something that we can utilize land NFT properties, as this has been in development for quite a long time, and it's frustrating actually waiting for so long. And now they're also posting a lot of teasers on their Twitter account about land gameplay, and it's gonna be in 3D. I was able to play it before when it was 2D, when they gave a playtest to those landowners, and um, luckily I got one, and I only got one land plot, which is finally able of use in staking. And I'm pretty much also excited for their planned play release. I think they say this year there would be some playable release. I hope so. That was the last time I read the news about Axie Infinity before this crypto bear market. Now, I have only one land plot, which is Savannah, and in the dashboard, in the land staking dashboard, you can see the total stake land of 15,307 plots, with a circulating supply of 16,794 plots, with a daily reward of 11,194 and 0.62 Axie shards. So almost all of them are staked, but there's still unstaked ones, and yeah, each one has different daily rewards per plot, which mine only has 0.08 AXS, and the current rate of at the current rate is only, of course, it's displayed here as only $1.18, which is not much, or at least I get something in return for investing in, I don't say investing, in holding or staking uh, NFT on Ronin chain, a Savannah land plot, which is the most common NFT land on Axie Infinity. And hopefully they will be able to release more. And the largest earning one is Genesis plots at 32.7 Axie shards and a day, and that's like 30 $33 a day, but they're only 75, which is the rarest one. And I think there's no Genesis plots available for sale on the marketplace. So hopefully, to those who are interested in buying NFT land for staking, hopefully you would also buy and stake an Axie. And while there's still lots of land plots for sale on the marketplace, anyways, um, the land plot, though, the ROI behind land plot versus AXS staking rewards, there's a huge difference. So in AXS staking rewards, you earn around, if you stake AXS directly to Ronin chain, you get around 71% at its current ROI per year. But if you stake land, and I think the current price of land now is around 1.6 USD at the floor price, and that's only, I've been calculating with the current rate we have now, and that's only around 400 plus USD per year, which expressed in percentages, you earn only a reward of 25% per year return on investment. Well, at least I get the amount I invested for this 25% a year, and it will take like 4 years to get back 100% of it. So at least, at the very least, I'm happy that there's something I can get back rather than just a floating dead NFT floating in the metaverse. That at least there's something I have right now utilizing this NFT, and I'm hoping that they would release the land play, and I can play it with my Axies. And it's easy to claim though. You can just click here to claim, and you can easily just claim your pending rewards. So, or you can stake more land if you want, but I don't have any other land. I don't want to unstake it. I will have to wait for, you know, the hype again for cryptocurrency, blockchain, and NFT before I would kind of like decide to liquidate or sell this one. If and only if the land gameplay is not suitable for me, or it's not as exciting as they are advertising. But anyways, it is good to know that they have there's already something that we can utilize for land plots, especially to those who are landowners in this really nice game. And there's no worries, hopefully, as the Axie Infinity still has a lot to develop, upcoming developments. So anyways, that is all, and everything's fine, everything's okay, and hopefully I'll be able to see you again in the next crypto video about Axie Infinity. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, share, and goodbye.